Hi there. I know that you're busy and your attention is being pulled in a million different directions. But if you give me a moment of your time, I am going to show you how you can collect cash every hour without lifting a finger. Sound good? Let me ask you a question. You've heard of Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin and the technology behind it has absolutely revolutionized the way businesses around the world accept payment for their services. The most incredible benefit of this technology is that anyone from anywhere can instantly use it with zero limitations. Sending money across the world used to an incredibly painful experience. It has broken down the barriers of international commerce between people in different countries. In the short period since its creation, it has already become a universal method of exchanging value, the same way gold has been for centuries. Anyone from anywhere in the world can now send money inexpensively and instantly. Isn't that awesome? Many impoverished people from parts of the world that never had access to traditional banking systems are participating in the global market for the first time in centuries. Internet businesses are now experiencing a massive growth in profits and sales just for adding Bitcoin as a payment method. Isn't that exciting? Of course it is. However, you may be asking yourself, how does this help me? That's an excellent question. You see, internet businesses are experiencing a massive growth in profits and sales just for adding Bitcoin as a payment method. Bitcoin's greatest strengths can also cause the most headaches for businesses that accept it. One of the reasons Bitcoin is great is because there are zero regulatory barriers to cross when opening accounts and creating transactions. This, combined with market factors, has caused the price of Bitcoin to become extremely unstable. In short, the price of Bitcoin can change in seconds. This is bad for businesses who wish to accept payment for their services in Bitcoin but need to be able to pay for the cost of providing that service. Here's a simplified example. Jim orders a custom-made gold bracelet from an e-commerce store with Bitcoin when the value of Bitcoin is $3,000. The store then proceeds with fulfilling the order as it normally does. They buy the gold, pay a professional to make the bracelet, and then ship the bracelet to Jim. Each step of this process takes a couple days while. In the meantime, the price of Bitcoin is dropping the entire time. Before the business could exchange the Bitcoins for cash to pay their expenses, the price had already went down to $2,500. Do you see the problem? Where does the store get the money to pay for their expenses? Some businesses can reach into their reserves and wait it out. Some can even pay some of their expenses with Bitcoin itself. However, this becomes an even bigger problem when a business is dealing with millions of dollars in sales. This is where we come in, and you benefit. We've developed a solution that is a win-win for all involved. Our business provides short-term private bridge loans to businesses at various interest rates that need cash fast. These loans provide the businesses the cash they need immediately and typically last between 1 day to 3 months. They are secured by the Bitcoin that the business possesses, so it's very little risk on our part. Sounds great. How do I benefit from this? The demand for our services is so great that we are struggling to fund all of the loans we are receiving requests for. We need more capital. This is where you come in and help us. In exchange, you'll receive 75% of the profit that we receive for providing us with the capital necessary to fund the loans. It's super simple to get started. You choose how much you wish to deposit and earn an income on. You can get started with as little as $3.50 and there is no maximum. We'll pay you a total of 5% of your deposit each day. This 5% profit we pay you is divided up into 24 individual hourly payouts for a total of 60 days. This means you get paid by the hour, every hour automatically even while you're sleeping. Profits are available for instant withdrawal as soon as they're paid to you. Not even your dream job would let you access your paycheck the hour you earned it. Picture this in your head for a second. You wake up, get out of bed, and grab a cup of coffee. You log into your account and see that you've earned $100 plus while you were asleep. You request a withdrawal to your Bitcoin account and it's sitting there waiting for you to use it in minutes. Wouldn't that put a big smile on your face? What do you do with the rest of your day? You can spend the rest of the day doing whatever you want to do because you've already made enough to cover your expenses. Doesn't it sound like a really awesome dream? Here's the thing, it's not a dream any longer. What are you waiting for?